Good morning. We are here at a multi-unit tenant building. This is unit 2R. This is the master bedroom, or what we're calling BR1 on our samples. We have some pretty obvious visual water stains, visual water damage, visual mold growth here in the corner. This particular tenant complaining of respiratory issues, coughing, sneezing, and an intense itch. It is doctor diagnosed. She's lived in this apartment for 10 years. This started as a small spot close to 2 years ago. For the most part, the apartment is very organized, put together, but there's definitely some hygiene issues, which could be attributed to the dust burden from the mold growth. We're just going to do a quick walkthrough. There's no other real visual mold growth in any other part of the apartment. Here's the kitchen. We have some water damage here in the kitchen and visible mold growth. Just keep walking through. Some visual water stains here at the dining room window. We have a black film on the supply returns, the return grills. Supply registers are slightly dark. I'm Victor, the senior building biologist here at GreenWorks. Healthy starts at home.